We started this year's drill program in February with mobilizing 3 drills to Fenelon, testing a variety of exploration targets over the entire property, which were described in the February 28 and March 8, 2023 press releases. And on this image that we just released, you can see a map of the Fenelon property with magnetics in the background highlighting some of the targets that we've been testing. Our approach has been that we're drilling 2-3 holes in each target area, wait for the results, the assay results, the interpretation of what we saw in the drill holes, the modeling of the geology, and then come back with follow-up drilling if warranted. So that's what we've done with target 1 and targets 2, 3, as well as 5, 6, 7 here in the east. And in this press release, we're reporting the initial results of targets 1 and 5. So the initial results are very encouraging. We're quite happy, especially on target 1. This was a geophysical target that we identified based on its similarity to the Jeremy diorite, about 1 kilometer north of the Fenelon resource shape. And if we look at this next figure here, you can see how the Jeremy diorite has a very unique geophysical signature made up of these magnetic lows of blue and green colors. And the reprocessing that we did on the geophysics identified very similar features here in this target 1 area. And sure enough, the 2 drill holes that we drilled in that area intersected the same kind of diorite that we've seen here. Now, not only did we intersect that diorite, but one of the holes actually hit a pretty good gold zone that's quite similar to our Area 51 type mineralization that we see in the main deposit, and it returned close to 1 gram per ton over 21 meters. So we're very happy with this result. And if we go back to this map here, so it's quite far away from the current resource, and it opens up a whole new area for exploration for us. At target 5, exploration thesis here was that there's good geology. We see these graphitic argillites, gabbroic intrusions, which are also quite important in the gold story. There are these east-west structures like the Jeremy Fault, and we're seeing some other structures here going east-west, which we know are controlling gold mineralization. And then there's also these northwest southeast structures that we're seeing, which are interpreted as a splay coming off of the Sunday Deformation Zone, which of course is the main controlling structure for gold mineralization in the belt, with Detour Lake sitting right on the northern edge of the Sunday Deformation Zone. Similarly, our Ripley Zone, and of course Fenelon and Martiniere also being in proximity of the Sunday Deformation Zone. So this splay is quite important, and it seems to be again controlling gold mineralization. Already one of our first drill holes here is returning some pretty good initial drill results, very similar to some of the intersections that we saw originally in the near surface Fenelon.